Alright, here we are. I'm going to get started on these models here, this trailer and dump truck. I'll take you guys along from start to finish, and hope you enjoy. Alright, here's the models all complete. It was a lot of fun to build. Definitely went out of my comfort zone in a lot of areas with trying new things, new techniques. The Mack truck kit wasn't perfect by any means. It's not meant to be a museum quality piece, so I kind of had to work with what I had, and did the best I could. A lot of fine painting and detailing. A lot of extra detail parts definitely help. Those MV product lenses, they look great for the headlights and the marker lights. I have bags of those. Anytime I'm at a hobby store and I see them for sale, I almost buy all of them. They're so cheap, and I find a lot of projects I could use them in, so definitely worth finding. They are hard to find now, so like I said, I grab them whenever I can. A lot of research to see what these trucks had. Again, I use those etched parts from Plano. Again, cheap parts, and they're really good quality. They do a really nice job, and they really add the next level of realism to the model. The trailer itself is 3D printed, basically 3D printed wheels, tires. It came out really cool. The wood was actually what I was waiting for the longest to get to order that, but it looks great. I think I'll eventually weather everything. I just get so nervous, weathering these models. I don't want to mess them up. They look good, but I think that wood decking will look great, weathered up and stained and everything. I plan on weathering that dozer there, John Deere. I've got a few ideas how to make it look at least used and not brand new. So I'll try to maybe make a video in the future of weathering that and chaining it up on that trailer. As far as the 3D printed GMC, this is just so cool. I had this truck, like I said, when I was younger. Found it, and it's a 2500. It looked at least like a 2500 with the wheels, and I painted it exactly like mine. I can't believe I actually was able to mask that out like I did. It was just luck. Looks great. I used a new product for the wheels. This liquid chrome I found at Hobby Lobby, and it has a 1mm tip on it, so it's great for small places like those wheels. I use it on the bumper, and that's about it. But great little detail for the layout. I try to put things on here that either remind me of people or certain things, and I've got a lot of great memories in this truck, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully get another video up of some switching, which I'm really looking forward to, and think of what's next. A couple other small, maybe vehicle builds. I ordered a few more tank cars, so I'll be weathering those up. I'll definitely be putting a video on that. Been getting a lot of comments on the weathering that I do, and I'm no expert again. I just watch a lot of videos. Kind of the reason why I'm doing these videos. I've learned so much from watching YouTube videos and from everybody online, and it's cool to kind of give back a little bit and try new techniques and hopefully pass some inspiration or techniques onto someone else. So anyway, that's about it from this video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.